From KETK, you're watching East Texas Live.
Welcome back. June is Men's Health Month, and joining me now is Terrence with Net Health, and he's here to tell us about their free events. How you doing today, Terrence?
Doing good.
You know, Father's Day is just around the corner, so what are a few ways that men can maintain and improve their basic fitness and nutrition levels?
So the big event I want to pitch out is for this Saturday. Every first Saturday in June, it is free fishing day in the state of Texas. So you can legally fish without a license at any state pond, lake. Net Health, we're partnering with BFCS at the Glass Rec Center this Saturday from 10 to 12. They're doing a free father fishing event. So if you don't have fishing gear, you can come out. They have poles, they'll have bait. If you haven't fished before, or if it's been a while since you fished, this is a perfect excuse this weekend to get out on the water to fish.
Yes, sir. And so what are a few reminders for fathers to remember about preventing chronic health diseases such as diabetes and cancer?
So our Center for Healthy Living is on Frankston Highway inside the Loop, the old fire station building. Our message is for guys to care about the health of the important women in their lifestyle. So we have a free program that assists women who do not have health insurance to get a mammogram or pap smear for free, because early detection is vital to make sure you don't develop, if you do develop cancer, it can be catched at an earlier stage as opposed to realizing it at a later stage. In addition, we also refer individuals for colon cancer screening. We have a tobacco cessation program for kids and for adults for nicotine cessation. So it's all about prevention now to avoid future health issues coming up.
Yes, sir. And so why is it important for men to focus on self-care techniques such as meditation, prayer, and purposeful de-stress time?
So it's hard for us guys just to have time just to chop it up, just to relax. You know, keep stuff close to your vest, close to your heart, but it's actually better to find a release valve, to vent with somebody. If it's a trusted friend, if it's your pastor, if it's somebody at work. Your company may have an employee assistance program where you can get free counseling sessions, or many community counseling mental health facilities in the East Texas area. Our main message is put the men in mental health. Put that focus on guys taking care of their own mental and emotional health.
Yes, sir. And so even though next school year is just a few months away, how are fathers able to help their children get ready for that?
So fathers being the providers of their family, making sure you get things taken care of ahead of time, kind of like what I mentioned before. So our immunizations clinic that's at 815 North Broadway, right next to the municipal court, our lobbies are not as full right now. So now is a perfect time to get your kids updated on their back to school shots before we get to August. So you're not having to wait in those long lines. And then you can knock out two birds with one stone, because we have our vital statistics department right next door. So if you need to get a birth certificate for your kids to enroll them into school, you can get the birth certificate, get their shot taken care of, then you can go fish, and then you can do whatever you need to do for the rest of the day.
Yes, sir. Where can people get more information about Net Health?
So you can look us up online at mynethealth.org. We're on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, or you can come to our main location, 815 North Broadway. You can come to our Center for Healthy Living and any of our WIC clinics that we have across East Texas.
All right, Terrence, thank you so much for coming in.
All right, appreciate it.
Yes.